Hey my beautiful Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am doing a Stickerbook flip through of the new PAPILLON sticker book by the Happy Planner. This sticker book has 601 pieces and it is a 30-page value pack sticker book. Alright, so let's check out the inside of this new sticker book. Alright, so that was a flip through of the PAPILLON sticker book by the Happy Planner. This was also included in my first Happy Planner squad box, so I'm really excited that I got my hands on this. So let me know in the comments below if you're adding this to your wish list. I love all things florals, and then they add the little butterflies in there. I am all here for it. So again, this is a 30-page sticker book and it has 601 pieces of stickers in here. So if you enjoyed this video, that's right, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, hello and welcome. I am Takoa and I hope you enjoyed it enough to go ahead and click that subscribe button because I have more fun videos coming your way. So make sure to stay tuned.